Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Ram 1500 Sport in granite crystal metallic paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. The high beams are right there. LED turns to the lights. The turns to the lights are also the running lights. And there's 2 fog lamps on the front bumper. Front and rear bumpers are color matching, and so is part of the grille. Looks really nice. Color matching door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. This truck is running on 20-inch rims, and this has 4-wheel disc brakes all around, and the tires are Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. There's mud flaps behind all 4 tires, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turns to the lights. They are color matching mirrors too, and you can break these away by hand if you want to, just like this. And these are heated mirrors as well. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is the driver's side door panel. There's plenty of storage space down below, more storage space in the middle. Nice place for an arm right here. This does have power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. This does have power folding in mirrors. Press this button here and you can fold the mirrors in case you want to park in a tight parking spot. And when you come out of that tight parking spot, you can just press this button here and the mirrors fold back out to where they were. The driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. All the seats are nice to touch and comfortable to sit in inside this Ram 1500. Adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ram. Nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. There's a nice Ram badge. Grab this chrome handle. There's an upper storage area here, and there's a change holder. And there's a USB port, an auxiliary port, SD card port, connected to your media. And there's another USB port right there. Plug anything into these areas right here, and you can play tunes through the speakers. And if you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides here, so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower. There's even more storage space down below here, and a nice place for some pens or anything small right there. It's nice to have a little ledge. 2 big cup holders in the middle with bubbles to hold your cups in place. Cell phone holder right here. 12-volt DC power outlet. Lots of storage space, and throughout the interior, you're gonna find dark chrome styling touches. So we have some right here in the middle, and we have some on all the doors as well. And there's even some right here and around the air vents. So right here, there's directional air vent, which you can close and open. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob, that button there will turn on the box lights. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. There's a tilt steering wheel too. Handle right here, so you, the driver, can easily get inside this truck. And there's a pocket on the side of the middle console right here, and this has an auto dimming rear view mirror and LED interior lighting throughout. Let's go check out the back seat area. This door opens up nice and wide, so anybody or anything can easily go inside the back seat area. And there's storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, looking good. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. Convenience handle here for your passengers. Park on the back on the driver's seat. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet down here. A nice ramp badge. Directional air vents, which you can close and open. 2 big cup holders down below. There's a fold-down armrest here. And there's 2 more cup holders. Adjustable headrest in the back seats. Hooks up above so you can hang nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. The interior lamp right here. Push it with your hand, it'll come on and act as a reading lamp. Push it again, it will shut off. the seats do flip up, and there is a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. If you're not using it, you can easily flip it back like this, and underneath here, there's even more storage space. And there's a clip here, so you can clip this up and secure it. And there's LED lights built in the bottom of the seats. They light up the feet area for you at nighttime, so you can see where your feet are. And this does have insulated, removable in-floor storage areas. Put ice in here, keep cans of Coke, balls of water cold. If it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. I like how they stay nice and hidden underneath the mats. This is the key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. Press this button twice, you can remote start the Ram. Boom, just like that. And boy, does the exhaust sound manly. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. Nice Ram badge, 4x4 badge right there. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections, so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram truck. That will unlock the tailgate as well as all four doors. And of course the box lights are just up there. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right here. There's hooks in all four corners, so you tie down your loads, you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. This does have LED box lights. So you have lights up there and these LED box lights. How awesome is that? Spray and bed liner is great to have too. And of course, you press the lock button on the key fob and all four doors and the tailgate will lock for you. All right, the other side, the back seat area here, storage down below, storage in the middle, nice place for your arm, dark chrome styling touches with beautiful stitching, convenience handle right here, pocket on the back of the passenger seat, insulated, removable, in-floor storage area. This side also flips up like so, and you have the fold-out gate here. You put things underneath or on top for storage. There's two cutouts for the cup holders in the middle, which I think is a clever touch, and it folds back. And underneath here, there's even more storage space. And of course there's a clip here so you can secure it like so. Boom, just like that. This folds down. Excellent. Storage down below with two big cup holders, storage in the middle, nice place for an arm, power locks, power window switch, looking good. Spot for some pens or packs of gum right here. Directional air vent which you can close and open. Upper glove box here with a convenience light. Lower glove box here with a manual. Pocket on this side of the middle console as well. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. Underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. There's airbags built into the seats for safety. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lots of safety built into this Ram 1500 Sport. And of course, the handle right here, so who's ever going to be sitting in the front passenger seat can easily lift themselves in. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2016 Ram 1500 Sport. And if you have the remote start system activated, all you got to do is hit the unlock button to hop inside the Ram here. And then all you got to do to start it is push the key fob in and turn it on, and that'll get you past the remote start system. Otherwise, if it's not on, you just use your key fob here to start up the truck. There's also a nice Ram badge on the back of the key fob right here. Go over to the side, push this into ignition, and all you gotta do is turn it, and boom, just like that, it fires up. There's a large LCD driver information center screen in the middle, and it looks very good, and this truck only has 61,041 kilometers on it. So definitely book a test drive soon, and using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center. So the first thing you'll see is that there's a digital speedometer, which you can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info area here. It tells you tire pressures for all four tires. It tells you your transmission temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to your tire pressures. You have your fuel economy, lets you know your fuel range on your tank of fuel, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers hold this button here and you can easily reset that. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. Hold this button right here and you reset one or both of those. You have a trailer tow area, lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this RAM wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you customize the screen, make it more of your own. There's a compass, outside thermometer, fuel economy, fuel range. Customize what's in all four corners on the screen setup right here. And back to your digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is opened. Nice big RAM badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right here with your gear selection buttons. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Canceled.
Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice. You can answer calls that come through Bluetooth just by pressing that button right there. Up here, there are reading lamps, a switch for the rear sliding window, so you easily open that up. It is open at the moment. There's fold down sun visors here with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights. These are breakaway and they do slide out, so what I just did with the passenger sun visor here, you can do with the driver's side as well. Tons of visibility out the front window. And down here, you have push button 4-wheel drive with 4WD auto. And if I throw this truck into reverse, the backward camera appears on the touchscreen here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. If I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. Right here is the trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, heated seats up front, and there's two settings for both. This has a heated steering wheel too. 115 volt AC power outlet right there. Another spot for some pens or packs of gum. Directional air vents right here, which you can close and open very easily. You can turn the screen off here if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. Hazards, back button to help you guide to your system. It's the tuning knob, browse button for your system. Physical climate controls right here, so you can make the temperature cooler or warmer. Front defrost, this button here will turn on the heated mirrors. Air conditioning, recirculate button, and this is a volume knob and a mute button. And this is the touchscreen Uconnect system. You can easily adjust where you want the air to go for climate right here. Easily adjust your fan speed and more. Access your heated seats and your heated steering wheel there. Also access the backup camera without the truck being in reverse. Settings here so you customize the Uconnect system and this Ram 1500 to have it the way that you want it to be. Bluetooth area here, pair of phone, make hands-free calls. Everything you do on your phone, make a call, you do hands-free on the touchscreen here. Radio here, you can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. FM. Great sound quality through the speakers. Definitely rock out, have a good time inside this Ram 1500. Turn it back down just like this. Adjust your audio very easily. Balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, and more. Presets up above. Easily hold box here with your finger, and you can easily set a preset. Tells you a song and the artist in the middle of the screen. Media button here, so if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connector, or something an SD card port, go here and you can listen to music through those areas. Here's quick access for the backward camera. Excellent. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff that you have. And back to your climate. This piano black styling touches up here and on the front here. And this is a very spacious interior. And this truck is a blast to drive. Definitely come check it out sometime soon. It's the 2016 Ram 1500 Sport in granite crystal metallic paint powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back, and it has an amazing sounding exhaust. Book a test drive at Crosstown today. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.